No, no, no.
Ouch! Thank you. Oh no! Huh? Don't cry. Mama, what happened?
Yes.
Let's go. Okay.
Sit here.
Okay.
What happened? No!
You. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Oh no! My baby!
Stop.
You.
Hurry up.
Huh? Mama!
Hurry up. Aha.
Ouch!
Oh my God.
Let me out! Let me out!
You. Let's go.
Let me out! Let me out!
Wow! Yeah! Woo!
Wow, so beautiful. Ooh. No, no, no.
Oh no.
Thank you.
Come on.
You.
Good job!
Oh no. Hello.
Okay.
Hi, teacher.
What happened?
For you.
Huh?
What is it?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Very good.
Hi, teacher.
What happened? For you.
What is it?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Wow.
Uh-oh!
You're so beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Hello. What happened?
So beautiful. For you.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Are you okay?
Okay, okay.
For you.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed
Welcome.
her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play.
So beautiful.
Very good.
For you.
Thank you.
I love you.
Hey you. What happened? Don't worry, I will help you. Welcome. Wow!
Hello.
Hello.
You so beautiful.
Thank you.
Who are you? You get out.
Let me out. Let me out. Don't cry. Don't cry.
Yes.
I will help you.
Yes. What happened?
Rapunzel!
Oh no! Stop!
Oh no!
Hello.
You get out!
What happened? Don't worry, I will help you.
No! No!
Don't cry. Don't cry. Please help me. Please. Please. Uh-oh.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, I will help you. Kenny,
Rapunzel!
Kenny.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Sorry.
Huh?
Aha!
Wow, you so beautiful!
Thank you. Wow. Bye bye.